What's going on, everybody? Nick here, coming at you from the LA Auto Show. So if you're wondering why I'm not in the video today, it's because I'm going to be here. So if you have a chance, stop by the LA Auto Show to check it out. But today's video is going to have Jose teaching you guys some very helpful tips and tricks, so be sure to check that out. Drop your comments down below for future videos, and I'll see you guys next time.
What's up, everybody? Thank you back for tuning into the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Jose here, my first video. I'm actually doing this because Nick is currently in the LA Auto Show, which, by the way, if you will be passing by, feel free to say hello. We are in the South Hall, the garage exhibits. And today we have this nice Toyota Tacoma right here. As you can tell, it's a nice truck right here. The owner loves to take this vehicle off-road, likes to go on canyon trips, hiking, etc. So you can definitely tell, look at this tire right here, nice all-terrain tires. They've gone through some nice, good damage, you know. So it's been raining currently in LA, and as the owner has been going off-roading, tires have been sitting after a while, collecting a lot of dust, a lot of dirt, grime, etc. Right, so today we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to properly go ahead and clean your tires, as well as give them a nice shine. And we'll be using Nonsense, one of our topmost all-purpose super cleaner. Nonsense is great because you can use it as is, ready to use, or you can even go ahead and dilute this bottle. So all for your preference, you could do 20 to 1, etc. So in this case, we're going to be doing all concentrated Nonsense because these tires seem to have gone through some nice trips along the road. So we're going to be spraying some onto our brush, spraying some of the solution onto the tire, and we're going to go ahead and slightly agitate it, ensuring ourselves that we're getting through all of the dirt, getting all that dust right off the tire. As you can see, wow, even the brush itself has been already gotten a bit, most of the dirt off. Still might have some little rough edges we might get into, work into with our nice small exterior brush to get into those nice little areas where a larger brush was not able to get into. Let's go ahead and start getting all of this rubber tires nice, clean, and dry. So keep in mind, all-terrain tires are a bit more different to clean and apply a dressing as your regular tires. Reason why is all these nice rough ridges, rough edges to it, which most all-terrain tires are very well to be taken off-road, hiking trip, going to the canyons. And yes, you can definitely tell that was nice and very dirty right there. Look at all that. So let's go ahead and turn the towel around, and let's go ahead and go over it again, ensuring ourselves we are drying and getting all that dirt and dust off of the tire. All right, now that the tire is nice, dry, Nonsense I was able to get all that dirt, all that dust off. We already go ahead and wiped it down, but we want to make sure that we are able to give it that nice wet finish look, keep it nice and shiny, and also protect it as well from any future cracking, protect it from getting any dullness. And so we're going to go ahead and use our nice and wet tire shine trim coating right here. Nice and wet is a very great aerosol spray. Just gonna have that to shake the bottle real quick. And in this case, we definitely decided to go with an aero spray for the same reason. These are all-terrain tires, so it's a little bit difficult to be able to pass any kind of applicator pad, hex logic pad, etc. So an aero spray is a better form to go to, an easy way to go to, and still deliver a nice, good shine. So here we go, we're gonna go ahead and spray it off nice and even. So we're going to go ahead and let it sit for a little bit, and then we're gently going to go ahead and pat it down, ensuring ourselves that there is no oversaturation going on, ensuring ourselves that the product is going to penetrate deep into the pores of the tire, giving us a much longer lasting finish, and ensuring ourselves that we're going to be protecting the tire and giving it that long lasting shine. Okay, now that we let it sit for a few seconds, going on to a minute, we're going to go ahead and wipe it down because the owner, he likes a shine, doesn't like a wet finish, but does like a nice shine to it. So we're going to go ahead and wipe it off. So there you have it, guys. We ended up using our great nonsense to be able to lift off any dirt, debris, clean it off, wiped it off. And we also hit this nice shiny tire with our nice and wet tire shine and trim coating. That definitely helped restore some shine to the rubber tire after going through a nice course of hiking, off-roading, etc. Let's go ahead and pull back the tape to reveal a nice 50-50 finish. Alrighty, you guys, as you can see with this 50-50, our Nonsense Invisible Super Cleaner did a great job removing all the dirt, dust, and debris on that side, and as well giving it a nice tire shine with our tire shine trim coating as well. If you guys liked this video, please drop a comment below. Let us know which other videos you guys would like for us to do. And also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My name is Jose. We'll see you guys next time at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.